How to verify as a teacher on ChatGPT. So to verify your teacher status to get ChatGPT for teachers, OpenAI currently offers this specifically to verified US K-12 educators, and it is free through June 2027. Now, to verify, the first thing you'll need to do is go to this website right here, and I'm going to include the link in the description below. And to start the verification process, click on Verify Status. And to start the verification process using your school or school district email address, which is required, as you can see, otherwise it won't work. You're not eligible if you have other types of email addresses. And this will take you to a trusted third-party verification partner, which is Cheer ID, where you can upload the required document to complete the Educator verification process. This will usually guide you through the process by details. And once you're verified, you can choose whether to create a new school/district workspace or join an existing workspace associated with your district. And right after that, you will be required to complete the Educator onboarding process, including your role, subjects, and grade levels. And again, to be able to get this, you'll need to work for an accredited US K-12 school or district and be a teacher, school staff member, school leader, or district administrator. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.